Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a very early beauty box unboxing for you. It's Lookfantastic and it's their May subscription box. This is a PR box. Lookfantastic kindly send me their boxes so I'm able to show you. But if you fall in love with the contents in this box, you will not be able to receive it until the 1st of May onwards. Currently the April beauty box is still available until it either sells out or until the end of the month, and then from the 1st of May onwards you'll be able to get this one. If you weren't already aware, Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box. It ships worldwide. It costs £15 a box for a monthly rolling subscription, and they offer it like a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. I believe if you take out a 12-month subscription, it brings the cost of the box down to £13. They say each box has a minimum value of £50, and inside you'll receive 6 beauty items ranging from anything beauty related, skincare, hair care, makeup, beauty tools, and sometimes we get some freebies as well. I'll pop a link to the beauty box page down below in my description, and there you'll see all the other limited editions Lookfantastic currently have, plus my own discount code off their website you'll find down there. And they have given me a code to share with you to receive a couple of pounds off this box, which is the name of my channel, Diaryofabeautygeek. You'll find that down there, as well as all my other discount codes and offers to other websites, so you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside. So we've got a load of leaflets. A little card in the box. It's a QR code, but because obviously we're still in April and the April beauty box is still available, so I won't be able to scan that and give you any added extra information about the products in the box. A little sneak peek for you. First up, we got the sneak peek from last month, and this is Sol de Janeiro. This is Bum Bum Cream, and there's 25 mils here. It's a gorgeous body cream scented with pistachio, salted caramel and vanilla. It contains ingredients to firm and tighten and leaves your skin feeling really, really soft. Yeah, this is just summer to me. Whenever I smell this, it's just summer. Let's try a little bit without it going up in my nails. Oh, a little bit too much. I'm always doing that. Give my hands some nourishment. I absolutely love the smell. It's so, so nice. I do love the cream. Just left my hands feeling really nice and soft, and the smell. Oh, yeah, I just love it. So, Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. Next up, we got something different. I don't think we've ever received one of these in a box before. This is by Hydrea London. It's Luxe Natural Sea Sponge. I bought one when I went to Rhodes last year and I've yet to use it. It's still in a paper bag with the map of Rhodes on it, but yeah, it's a little one like this. Enhance your beauty rituals with our luxuriously silky soft natural sea sponge, ideal for applying cosmetics for flawless and long-lasting results. I have never thought of that. Okay. For deep cleansing, especially for those hard to reach areas around the eyes and nose, and gentle exfoliation, which can help smooth fine lines and leave skin glowing. All our sponges are sustainably and ethically sourced by registered divers using traditional methods of hand cutting that preserves the root system and supports the natural regeneration process. It says after using, rinse in cool water and gently squeeze. Don't wring or anything like that. I've never thought to use one like for makeup application. Did it say makeup application, or was I just dreaming that? No, not dreaming. It actually says that. But I suppose if you use a beauty blending sponge, then what's the difference with this one? So you just add water and then it softens up. I really like that. We've got something a little bit different. I know, I'll definitely use that. Unlike the one I got from Rhodes. It's more like a souvenir. Got a natural sea sponge there. Next up, we got a body wash by Esper, and this is Bergamot and Jasmine. And there's 75 mils there. It's a soap-free body wash that is really gentle to the skin. It's infused with the pure essential oils of bergamot and jasmine, and it just leaves a really nice lingering scent. Yeah, this is really nice. A nice little handy size, actually, for a weekend away. Oh my gosh, my pile is increasing. A lot of you may already know this. Whenever I receive like travel size beauty products that I think, oh, handy to take away with me, then I keep them to the side and I put them in these boxes. So I've got everything. I've got shampoos, conditioners, SPFs, body washes, toothpaste, toothbrush, hairspray, dry shampoos. I've got a lot, all in like miniature, even like some of my favourite makeup like miniatures from like Hourglass powders and little NARS lipsticks and things. So I got a lot of stuff, but yeah, this is what I'm thinking, handy. But then really, do I go anywhere that doesn't have like shower gel anyway? If I was to stay the night in a hotel or something, they always usually have shower gels, don't they? I'll just pop that straight downstairs. Our bathroom is downstairs. But yeah, that's a gorgeous scent. You love your essential oils, and Esper that is. Next up, we've got Lanolips, and this is Cocoa Nutter. It's a 101 ointment multi-balm. So it's a multi-purpose balm you can use on your lips, you can use on cuticles, really great on insect stings as well. Apparently, it's 100% natural, and the ingredients are just coconut and vitamin E. I haven't tried this one before. It says here, 100% natural, 101 uses. So it's a dense balm. See? Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh, rub it into some of my cuticles. I've put too much on, haven't I? I can't tell what it smells like because I've got the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum cream on my hand. I'm going to have to wipe some of this off. But yeah, so it's a multi-purpose balm. These are really handy to have in the house. You never know when you need it. But yeah, first time I've heard of a multi-purpose balm being great for insect stings or bites. There, that's better. Just a little bit. So we've got Lanolips there. Next up, we've got something for your hair. This is by Wella. This is Wella Fusion Mask, Intensive Repair Mask. And there's 75 mils here. Don't think we've ever had a product from Wella before either. It says apply to damp hair, leave on for 5 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Looking at the information on the Lookfantastic website, the rich treatment boasts Wella's Silk Steel Fusion program, which utilises silk amino acids to repair and protect hair against breakage and damage. Inspired by resilient spider silk, one of the strongest fibres in nature, the mask seeks to restore strength to locks by penetrating deep into each strand. The Fusion mask leaves locks conditioned, smooth and resilient. Hair is visibly healthy and renewed. Oh, let's have a sniff then. Gotta have a sniff. Oh, well, I pulled that a little bit too hard. It came off and I've made a mess and I now got a big blob on my leg. It does smell really nice though. I've never tried it, so I can't tell you about it, but yeah, it does smell really nice. Right, put that back on. I'll scoop the lump off my leg afterwards and try and suck it back in here if I can. So we've got a hair mask by Wella. And then lastly, we've got a facial scrub. This is by Rodial and it's their vitamin C Prepare Enzyme Scrub to brighten and renew. And there's 20 mils there. This is really, really lovely. I've tried this numerous times. It's gentle on the skin. It's a gel to oil formula. I tried it first in a Lookfantastic limited edition beauty box years ago that they brought out, and it was all Rodial vitamin C range, and I fell in love with it. I love the cleansers, the oils, the lot. My skin using all those products all together just looks amazing. So yeah, it's a really, really nice scrub, and it is, as I said, it's quite gentle on the skin as well. It says here on the website, perlite and jojoba beads are derived from volcanic extracts to offer a physical exfoliation for softer looking skin. I wanted to know what the little beads were. I'll show you now. So yeah, volcanic extract. I never knew that, or it just obviously went over my head. It doesn't feel that full, but I suppose if it's 20 mils, it's only going to be about up to there anyway, isn't it? It's a big tube for 20 mils, but that's what it looks like. Can you see the little bits? Oh no, that's my mole. Sorry. Hopefully you can see the bits. Now this does have a gorgeous smell, and it just smells what you want it to smell like. Oranges. It's lovely. Or what you'd imagine vitamin C products to smell like. So there you go, those are all the items inside May Beauty Box. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we started off with the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. This is our sneak peek from last month. We got a Wella Fusion Repair Hair Mask. We got Hydrea London Luxe Natural Sea Sponge. We've got an Esper Body Wash in jasmine and bergamot. Got a Lana Lips 101 ointment, a multi-purpose balm in cocoa nutter, and lastly from Rodial, a vitamin C papaya enzyme scrub. So those are all the products in the box. As always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of the products in the May Beauty Box? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. As soon as it goes live and as soon as I find out the sneak peek for the June Beauty Box, I'll pop it down below. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.